this is what it looks like right now. I'm not exactly sure what time it is. Today's the 4th of July. And we are supposed to have fireworks at 9:30, starting at 9:30. And yeah, this is the clouds right now. It clears up about right here, and then it's clear. Can't see through the trees, but it's clear right here, which is directly in this direction, which I'll be sitting right over in that general area on my blanket. You will see fireworks at about 9:30, 9:45, maybe 10 o'clock they'll start exactly. And yeah, so that's where I'm going to be sitting, right? Alright guys, I just came outside to check things out. It is dark, it is cloudy, and I feel sprinkles of rain right now. Fireworks, or we're not having fireworks this year. I'm going to go real quick and check radar and some other weather channels and conditions on my iPad and see if this is going to move through by the time it hits like 10 o'clock, because if we go any later than probably 11, 11:30, which we'll probably, I mean, we're Boone County, we'll probably wait until God knows 2 o'clock in the morning to have our fireworks, but still, you know, I'm going to check and see if this is going to move through, because the clouds are moving pretty swiftly right now. They're just like sweeping through, and so hopefully, because it looks, well actually it looks like it's raining over in that part, but I'm going to go check and see. I don't know if you can hear the thunder and stuff, but I just checked radar from about 6:45 until 11 p.m. tonight, and by 8:15, 8:30, Belvedere should be clear of any storm or rain or anything like that. It has no thunderstorms or any bad weather coming. We, by probably 10 o'clock, we'll be just finishing up a storm that's supposed to be coming through here, so that's what all these dark clouds are that's just hitting right now. So probably in the next half hour to an hour, we're going to have a lot of rain and thunder and lightning, and then hopefully by 8:15, 9 o'clock, no later than hopefully 9:30, we should be okay to have fireworks. So I'm hoping that's what we do. So yeah, but I'll talk to you guys later, and get ready for the 3rd, and hopefully, I'm pretty sure I'm not uploading anymore after this final upload for our 4th of July this year, guys. Bye! Might not have fireworks today, guys. Just asked one of our tenants, and he said they're not having them in Boone County. camera just went blurry again. It does that once in a while. Like sometimes it'll it'll go like all fuzzy and stuff, like with pink and different colored blurry lines and stuff. Like I don't know if it's the weather right now or it's just because the iPad is like an older iPad, so in the sky, like all over, like all around me. So like the whole time I drove, in like every area there was fireworks, like all surrounding Boone County there's fireworks. I don't really know. But, so I didn't go this year, but there are... So, this is what the sky looks like right now. It looks like we're kind of pretty much in the clear if we do have fireworks. I don't know if we do or not. I know that usually we do, if I can remember correctly, but whatever. Anyways, if not, I'll be glowing like the sun tonight, dancing around in my living room all by myself, celebrating my grandfather, my father, my mother, my grandmothers, my cousins, my uncles, and everyone else. So anyways, I was mistold that fireworks were happening in Boone County tonight, which they already had them earlier, so oh well. But I've got all my light up stuff on. I've got my necklace, and this is my whistle, and I've got my ring, and I had a red, white, and blue, but the white, the little plastic thing broke, and my glasses are right here, and ooh, these are my glasses. So I went to Walmart, and that's where I got all my like glow in the dark stuff. But I went to Walmart to buy a second wand because the first wand that I had was already broken and didn't light up when I took it out of the package. So I went and bought another one, and that one didn't work either. So all this stuff worked, but the wands that I wanted, they didn't work. So I'm gonna keep them anyways, but kind of a jip from Walmart. But anyways, like I said, I hope you guys had a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful 4th of July. Fireworks are probably, you know, I hope they were beautiful. I don't really know, but I know what I did see of the fireworks going on around here from like the little homes and stuff all around Boone County. It was really pretty. So, anyways, I will talk to you later. Have a wonderful and safe night, and you know, be careful out there if you're drinking, and I'll see you guys on another upload on Angel Sky Channel. I'm Angel, and bye guys. Like, subscribe, and comment.